In front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access themes section. After that, tap on themes at the bottom left corner. Now you can pick one of those or click on the search bar and type in wherever you wish to. Then click on the best theme for you. I will go with this one and select download. Now tap on apply and wait. As you can see, when I go back, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by accessing the same theme settings, clicking on profile at the bottom right corner and tapping on themes section. Now tap on classic or limitless and choose apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!